To see flow orchestration. I created a simple flow orchestration. In my flow, I have stage 1 and stage 2. This will trigger when a record is created. So whenever an account record is created, this flow orchestration will trigger. So first, in the stage 1, I have two steps. One is background step and the other one is interactive step. So in the background step, it will start whenever the stage starts, and then I am calling a flow called account update stage 1, and to the flow I am passing the record ID. So this is my auto launched flow. Here I have two variables, one is for account and the other one is for account ID. So whenever this flow is called, the account ID will be passed, and then using the account assignment, I am setting the account description to stage 1 and I am setting the account ID as the ID of the account that is passed from the flow orchestration. And then I am updating that account and then it will end it. And after that, once this background step is completed, it will come to the interactive step. In the interactive step, I am calling a flow. So it is a sample screen flow. So this is my sample screen flow. In the screen flow, I have a screen called initial screen. Here I am just displaying welcome to account creation. So once the user completes this initial screen, it will go to the end and then it will go to stage 2. In the stage 2, I again have a simple background step. Here I am calling account update stage 2 flow. This is my account update stage 2 flow. Here again I am getting the account ID and then I have created an variable for account, and then using my account assignment, I am setting the ID of the account and description of the account to stage 2. And it will update the account and then it will end. So the flow orchestration will complete once the stage 1 and stage 2 gets completed. For background step, it won't wait for the user interaction, but for the interactive step, it will wait for the user interaction. So as per this design, whenever an account record is created, it will update the description to stage 1 and then it will wait for the user to complete the screen flow, and after that it will come to stage 2 and then it will do the background step where it will set the description of the account to stage 2. So I'm going to create a simple account record. So once I create an account, the description should be set to stage 1. I am not setting anything. As per the background step, it will set the stage to stage 1 because that's what I have done here in the account assignment. Yeah, so the account is created and the description is set to stage 1. So now let's see what are all the steps that are completed. Yeah, so this is the latest one. It is still in progress. Stage 1, it is still in progress. It has completed step 1 of stage 1 and it is waiting for stage 1 step 2 to be completed. So the step 2 of stage 1 is interactive step where it will call the screen flow. So here this is my screen flow to complete. So in order to add this work guide, you should add work guide component to the lightning record page. You have to add this orchestrator work guide here so that you can see the pending actions that are waiting for the user to complete. So now once I click finish, it will go to stage 2 and then it will do a background step where it will set the description to stage 2. Yeah, currently there are no pending work. So if I refresh this orchestration instance, it is completed. Stage 1 is completed, stage 2 is completed, step 1, step 2 of stage 1 is also completed, step 2 of stage 2 is also completed. So everything is completed. Now if I refresh this screen, the description of the account should be stage 2. So this is a simple flow orchestration.